Today I am discussing a new topic, biology questions for NET Target NET 2021 Part 2, which is really helpful for any competitive examinations, and I recommend that you students sit down with a notebook and pen before we start going through this topic. Welcome back once again in your tutorial. Myself Nausin and you are watching Educational Support. If this is the first time you are visiting my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and you have turned on notifications on your phone so that whenever I release a video, you will see it on your homepage. So let's get started. So the first question is, the correct order of steps in polymerase chain reaction PCA is, and the options are denaturation, extension, annealing, extension, denaturation, annealing, and the last one is denaturation, annealing, and extension. So the correct answer is denaturation, annealing, and extension, because this technique is used for making multiple copies of gene or DNA of interest in vitro. Each cycle has 3 steps: denaturation, primer, annealing, and extension of primer. So the correct answer is denaturation, annealing, and extension. Next question is, select the correct match. And the options are Th Morgan transduction, F2 recessive parent dihybrid cause, ribozyme nucleic acid, and the last one is Z-Mendel transformation. And the correct answer is ribozyme nucleic acid, because ribozyme is a catalytic RNA which is nucleic acid. Next question is, a new variety of rice was patented by a foreign company. Through such varieties have been present in India for a long time. So this is related to, and the options are Lama Rosso, Sraboti Sonora, CO667, and the last one is Basmati. So the correct answer is Basmati, because in 1997 an American company got patent rights on Basmati rice through the US Patent and Trademark Office that was actually been derived from Indian farmers' varieties. The diversity of rice in India is one of the richest in the world. 27 documented varieties of Basmati are grown in India. So Indian Basmati was crossed with semi-dwarf varieties and claimed as an invention or a novelty. So Lama Rosso and Sraboti Sonora are the varieties of wheat. So the correct answer is Basmati. Next question is, which of the following pairs is wrongly matched? And the options are exotype sex determination, Groshofer, ABO blood grouping, codominance, start synthesis in P, multiple alleles, and the last one is Th Morgan linkage. So the correct answer is start synthesis in P, multiple alleles, because start synthesis in P is controlled by pleiotropic genes. Other options 1, 2 and 4 are correctly matched. Next question is, select the correct statement. Spliceosomes take part in translation. Punnett square was developed by a British scientist. Franklin Stahl coined the term linkage, and the last one is transduction was discovered by S. Altman. So the correct answer is Punnett square was developed by a British scientist, because Punnett square was developed by a British scientist or genetics, Punnett, C. Punnett. But Franklin proved semi-conservation model of replication. Transduction was discovered by Zinder and Laderberg, and spliceosome formation is part of the post-transcriptional changes in eukaryotes. So the correct answer is option 2. Next question is, the experimental proof for semi-conservative replications of DNA was first shown in a, and the options are plant, bacterium, fungus, and the last one is virus. So the correct answer is bacterium, because semi-conservative DNA replication was first shown in Bacterium Escherichia coli, that means E. coli. So next question is, which of the following flowers only once in its lifetime? And the options are mango, jackfruit, bamboo species, and the papaya. So the correct answer is bamboo species, because bamboo species are monocapric, that is, flowers generally only once in its lifetime after 50 to 100 years. But jackfruit, papaya, and mango are polycapric, that means it produces flowers and fruits many times in their lifetime. So the correct answer is bamboo species. Next question is, offsets are produced by, and the options are parthenocopy, mitotic divisions, meiotic divisions, and the last one is parthenogenesis. Did you know the answer? Yes, it is mitotic divisions, because offset is a vegetative part of a plant formed by mitosis. But meiotic divisions don't occur in somatic cells, and parthenogenesis is the formation of embryo from ovum or egg without fertilization, and parthenocopy is the fruit formed without fertilization, that means generally seedless. So the correct answer is mitotic divisions. Next question is, select the correct match, and the options are Matthew Meslin and F. Select, Siam Stivium, Alfred Hatcher and Martha Chase, that means TMB, Alec Jeffrey Streptococcus pneumoniae, and the last one is Francois Jacob and Jacques Monod lac operant. So the correct answer is Francois Jacob and Jacques Monod lac operant, because Francois Jacob and Jacques Monod proposed model of gene regulation known as operon or lac operon model, and Ali Jeffries proposed DNA fingerprinting technique. Matthew Meslin and F. Slate proposed semi-conservative model, DNA replication in E. coli, that means Escherichia coli, and Alfred Hertz and Martha Chase proved DNA as genetic material, not protein. So the correct answer is option 4. Next question is, which of the following has proved helpful in preserving pollen as fossils? And the options are oil content, celluloid intine, pollenkit, and the last one is sporopollenin. So the correct answer is sporopollenin, because sporopollenin cannot be degraded by enzyme, strong acids and alkali. Therefore, it is helpful in preserving pollen as fossils, and pollenkit helps in insect pollination. Celluloid intine helps in inner sporodom layer of pollen grains known as intine, made of cellulose and pectin, and oil content has no role in pollen preservation. So the correct answer is sporopollenin. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like and click on the bell and turn on the notifications. It's very important for you, because every single time when I release a video, there's a chance that you will see it on your homepage. So tata, bye bye, see you in the next video.